Few places on Earth feel as remote and magical as the Faroe Islands. Nestled in the North Atlantic, these islands hold dramatic cliffs, hidden valleys, and secret spots that even locals sometimes keep to themselves. I've always been fascinated by how such a small group of islands can carry so many mysteries, each corner more stunning than the last. I'm excited to start this journey. But first, where in the world are you tuning in from? Comment below with your city or country. It's always fun to see how global we go. One, Múlafossur Waterfall, Vágar. One of the most iconic sights in the Faroe Islands, this waterfall plunges straight into the ocean. The cliffs and green meadows surrounding it create a scene that feels unreal. I remember the first time I saw it. It almost looked like a painting. Two, Saksun village, Streymoy. A tiny village cradled by mountains and a tidal lagoon. Saksun feels untouched by time, with turf-roofed houses and grazing sheep. Walking through its streets gives a sense of calm and connection with nature, unlike anywhere else. Three, Trøllkonufingur. Eysturoy Trøllkonufingur, or Troll Woman's Finger, is a towering rock formation rising straight from the sea. According to local legend, it's a troll frozen in time. I watched it at sunrise, when mist wrapped the cliffs and the waves crashed below. The scene felt otherworldly, a mix of awe and a chill running down your spine. 4. Mykines Island, Puffin Paradise. Mykines Island is a haven for thousands of puffins and other seabirds. I spent hours observing these tiny birds dive and glide across the North Atlantic, their bright beaks and playful movements mesmerizing. The island's rugged cliffs, roaring waves, and abundant wildlife make it one of the most enchanting spots I've ever visited, a true paradise for nature lovers. Five. Kallur Lighthouse, Kalsoy, perched on a cliff. This lighthouse offers sweeping views of the ocean and jagged coastline. The hike to reach it is challenging, but I promise the panorama is worth every step. If you could stand at the edge of a cliff overlooking the ocean, would you take the leap of imagination? Let me know in the comments. 6. Gjógv Village, Eysturoy, a small fishing village known for its natural gorge that leads to the sea. Locals often fish directly from the gorge, and the surrounding mountains make it feel like a hidden kingdom. I couldn't resist taking dozens of photos here. The colors are surreal. 7. Tórshavn Old Town, Streymoy. While the islands feel wild, the capital has charm with its cobbled streets and colorful houses. Walking here, I felt the blend of tradition and modernity, with cozy cafes beside centuries-old turf homes. 8. Fossá Waterfall, Streymoy. This 140-meter waterfall is one of the tallest in the Faroe Islands. The roar of the water hitting the rocks below is mesmerizing. I remember standing there during a storm, feeling both terrified and amazed by nature's power. Here's a thought. If you could choose, would you explore a misty waterfall in the rain or a sunlit cliff in calm weather? Comment your choice. 9. Sandoy Island. Hidden beaches. Sandoy Island is home to some of the Faroe Islands' rare sandy beaches, a striking contrast to the usual rocky shores. Walking along the soft sand, I felt the cool Atlantic waves crash nearby, creating a mix of calm and wild energy. These beaches are quiet and often deserted, making them perfect for reflection, solitude, and soaking in the untouched beauty of the islands. Locals treasure them for their peaceful charm. 10th Slættaratindur, Streymoy, the highest peak in the Faroe Islands, offering panoramic views of surrounding mountains and fjords. Climbing it was tough, but reaching the summit made me feel like I was on top of the world. The clouds weaving through the valleys below added a mystical touch. If you could spend a day on a remote peak with the wind on your face, would you do it? I'd love to hear your thoughts. The Faroe Islands are a place where every corner surprises you. From waterfalls plunging into the ocean to villages that seem frozen in time, these islands are filled with secrets waiting to be discovered. I've seen only a fraction, yet each visit leaves me in awe, reminding me of how many wonders the Earth still hides. Before we wrap up, I want to know, if you could teleport to one of these spots right now, which would it be? Drop your choice in the comments. I'm curious to see which one captures your imagination the most. So that's it for today's journey through the Faroe Islands. If you enjoyed this trip, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more unseen and unreal places from around the world. Your next adventure could be just a video away.